Since first, appreciate your support. Hope you guys are good. A quick one. This is an LG washer that was giving us an OE error code. OE meaning the machine can drain water. So the machine is retaining water. So things you have to check. One, is this clear? It could be blocked. If it's blocked, then the machine won't drain water. Also, you should hear the pump running. In this case, the pump is not running. So if the pump is not running, either the pump is dead or something is coiled on the propeller. So all you need to do is we need to power it off. Once it's powered off, we'll doing the water manually. I'll show you how. And then unfortunately with LG, the bottom is sealed, so we'll have to remove the front panel to access the drain pump. So let's get into it. Pause the machine, power it off. So to drain water, we're going to use this. So get a bucket for that so that we don't get the floor flooded. You have to be patient. Look at this. So definitely this is the cause. This is the cause. But we have to check the pump. We have to ensure that the pump is running. If the pump is not running, then this caused the pump to go. But I'm 100% convinced the pump is okay. So this is the reason your washing machine is not draining water. You have to clean this after every cycle, or you can do this after maybe a month or so. I'm sure this has never been cleaned. Stop straining your machine.